Okay, so as you guys know what the baking soda and vinegar thing does, We take vinegar and baking soda. Well, today what we're gonna do is we're gonna change this. So whenever you add baking soda and vinegar, it causes like a volcano to come up and it boils over. And over here on the patio, you can see where part of this. Well, I already did part of this. So let me get my Crocs on. We're gonna do this. I'm gonna fill this up. You can look at that. I got jacking off these people foot fetishes. Okay, it's kind of gay and weird. So I did this earlier a couple of times, but none like I did it this time. So it's about this full of vinegar. So we're gonna put the baking soda in. We do about a full cap full, really just a lot. So do about this much full. Okay, it's heaped. I'm gonna stick it in the bottle. Gotta put the lid on. So the reaction's happening and everything. I'm beginning to, so you can see the reaction. And man, I can barely push right into this bottle. And the cap's on real tight, so let's go launch this fucker. And let's see what the hell happens. I know what happens. You guys are done. So we need a sharper area. Something steady, so like a tree or something, but someplace to where my parents don't know what the fuck happened. So, and this makes it all carbonated and stuff, you can see. And my hands are full of this. Now when this goes, it goes. So we'll do it about right over here on this piece, on this piece of wood here. So we'll go. Fast, slow. Nothing, just like before. Let's get it out. Now let's just try to dead on it. Let's do it on this walk. Once again. Nothing. Okay. Let's do it again. I gotta line this up. This time it's gonna go. I'm just gonna fucker. It's gonna fucking go and explode right now. Let's go. Shit. The aim of it is to hit the cap right here so the cap breaks. Holy shit! Holy fuck! I was not expecting. So I hit it there. Like, I don't know where the fuck the cap went. This thing goes from here. And it just goes straight over this wood pile. And it goes from here diagonal and hits that fucking shed. And it goes. And holy fuck, guys. Holy shit. It hit from there. It hit that fucking shed. And it went right there. Like, holy shit. What? Last time I did this, I did not see fucking propel. I need to find the cap badly because I need to see what happened. go drop the bottom. Holy. Look at the cap. It's completely broke. So just look at that. So anyways, that's all for now. See you guys. Bye.